And you had a look at the netball, didn't you, Scotty?
Yeah, I watched the second test the other night, and the way they started, I was thinking this could be a good game tonight, but yeah, just that last quarter, a couple of crucial errors in that final corner, turnover ball, and then missed a couple of goals towards the end. Made the difference in that small point.
Should we just give up with netball?
The Aussies scored the last 7 goals.
Yeah.
You know, we could see it coming. That's the most frustrating thing. You can see that game turn at the
We're
end.
thinking about a Waitangi Tribunal claim on this, Stephen, because Nolene Taurua has been left out. Why has Nolene Taurua been left out? You know, brilliant coach. Come on.
She has done very well.
She should be the next Kiwi coach.
And you wonder whether that flows onto the players. They're thinking, oh, we're going to have an Australian coaching us?
Yeah, well, that's right.
We really want an Aussie coaching
I mean, Nolene's proven her worth. She should be taking over from Waimarama, shouldn't she?
I would have thought so. And you've got to ask too, why is Waimarama actually here for the series? Shouldn't she have...
That's right.
Wouldn't it be, seriously, is the timing right? We've got a lot of players on their last throw of the dice for the series. Maybe they should have gone after the last World Cup.
OK, well, that's enough about netball.
Yeah, okay.
Let's go back to the semi-final.
Too depressing.
Let's go back to the semi-final tonight. Australia Pumas. Can Argentina upset, Scott?
I think they can. They've got to just stick to what they've done well, I think, last week. Put pressure on at set piece, and that they'll be aiming for that all the time. They've got a good mix throughout their 15 now, so they're attacking well in their backs, and they've got quite a few threats out there with Emoff and also they call him the magician,
yes.
Hernandez there, so he's running the show well.
Yeah, a lot of confidence.
Got Pocock and Folau back, right? You got your 2 best players back. They should get home, the Aussies, shouldn't they, Stephen?
Well, you want Pocock there because that Argentine pack's really good and they've got confidence in the back, so you want your best back there as well against them. I'll tell you what, I knew they'd beat Ireland. I could just sense that. But this one, I don't know. I mean, Argentina have been the big improvers this year. They beat South Africa in South Africa, remember?
Who do we want to play in the final? We want to play Argentina, don't we? Because they've never beaten us, have they, Stephen?
But deep down, we want to beat Australia. Yeah.
But what if they... Well, OK, I mean, you know, this is your last chance on our show before the final.
Thanks
Are we going to win?
The final?
Yeah.
It's not just a walk-up start. They've got to do more than just turn up, haven't they? We saw that today. A lot can change in a week. Brilliant against an ordinary French team, made to work hard by a solid South African team. I don't know.
If anybody can beat us, Australia can, can't they? Because they play the same type of game, don't they, Scotty?
Yeah, I'd agree. I think Australia will get up. It'll be a close game. I'd like to see Australia and New Zealand final and really slug it out.
But they're dangerous. They
are dangerous, but that makes for such a good final. Because I think if Argentina go through, we kind of, let's be honest, that I think...
I want Argentina.
You kind of know the result. Really.
I want Argentina,
you know the result,
because we always used to say Australia easy beats front row useless. Not now.
Argentine scrum coach.
Is that right?
Ledesma. Remember, he's the brains behind the scrum. And Cheika, they play for Michael Cheika.
So the Aussies now get parity in the scrums, and their backline's as good as ours.
And I think they've almost got a better bench.
Oh, cut it out,
Almost.
Stephen.
No, you look at their bench.
Look at Sonny Bill. Look how great he was today.
Should be starting.
Should be starting?
Should be starting.
Conrad can't make a break? Is that who you drop?
They're so loyal, they will not drop senior players. They're so loyal.
Well, who should they drop? Conrad?
It's a tough call. I'd like to see Nono and Williams together in midfield.
Ooh,
but they won't do it.
They won't do it. They'll keep the same squad. No changes whatsoever. Sam Kane nearly threw the game away from us.
Yeah, I know.
Give Liam Messam a run, I say.
No, he's good with the water.
He's a good water boy.
No, they're loyal. They won't change.
Prediction for the final. All Blacks to win?
Yeah, but I think it could be quite tight, as in real low scoring as well. I'm guessing Australia, and maybe 3 points. Remember, they beat the All Blacks fair and square in Sydney and didn't really try in Auckland that hard.
That's right, and Cheika held something back. Who's going to win the final? We're going to win the final?
Yeah, I think
comfortably against the Aussies?
7 to 8 points, yeah.
7 to 8 points? No
7.5.
7.5?
7, 8 points, yeah. It'll be close, but I think we'll get a try.
If we lose the final, are we failures?
Well, yes. Yeah.
Oh, you're a hard judge.
Yeah.
Depends how good a final it is.
Oh, I think so. I think we've gone there to win it. If we come out second best, then
we're failures. Jeez,
we haven't won it.
That's
we don't want some of these players to end their careers with that ringing around them, do they?
We can't have McCaw and Carter going out as losers,
no,
Stephen.
No.
We'll do a little karakia before the final. Thanks very much, Stephen. Great to have you.
Pleasure. Even my South African bracelet didn't help us.
Oh, here we go.
Stephen Stuart, Scotty Palmer, kia ora kōrua.